What's going on? We've got our first ever Street Syndicate banners. We've got the first one here, and I just want to have a bit of a show and tell. And I just wanted to quickly go over, the steps needed to actually apply one of these to your own car, because it can be a little bit fiddly, but it's not all that hard. So this takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, and it'll get on there pretty well. So let's have a look at it. So now that we've applied everything, we've made sure it's all straight, and we've kind of got all the bubbles out that we could using a card. Let's go ahead and start peeling the top layer off, and we can hopefully see that it's all gone properly underneath. So yeah, let's have a look. Whew. So you really have to get this angle right, otherwise it's possible to lift the actual sticker off with the top sheet. Oh yeah. And there you go. So because of the natural curve of the windscreen, out towards the edges, the letters appear to kind of fade away a little bit, but that's fine, that's normal. A lot of banners do that, and it doesn't look bad. Totally looks, it looks right. The most important thing to do is just, when you're sticking it all down, make sure you're measuring the distance from the top down, make sure it's the same on both sides, sort of thing. The little tire logo makes it a little bit tricky, so by measuring in to this point on the E, measure the same. I think it's about 15 centimeters or so from the edge. Measure the same distance in from the side to there, and make sure that to there, on my car, that was 5 centimeters. And so then I went to the other side. I think it was somewhere around the R, that was about 14 or 15 centimeters in from the edge. And then I measured up so that, that was about 5 centimeters to the top there as well. So, getting that right on both sides, making sure the middle part is centered with your mirror. Or, you can obviously measure across the windshield. For me, the mirror was right in the center. I assume that's the same for most cars. One thing that I do want to do is just flip these down sun visors and just see the height. Yeah, look at that. So hopefully, because of where that banner is up the top there, I don't think we're going to have any trouble with police. You know, because it's still out of view. You know, if you're assuming that, you know, you can't see where the visors are anyway, I think that's fine. That's good. I don't think anybody's going to have a problem with that. And you can still see my sweet wagon JDM plates hanging down there. That's cool. So there you go, guys. That's how to apply a banner to your windshield, specifically one of our Street Syndicate banners. If you want one, the link will be in the description below, but it's just our website. There is the web store there. We've got some of these sweet long sleeve shirts. We've got t-shirts, we've got the banners, we've got stickers, we've got a few bits and pieces there. So if there's anything you want, check it out and let me know. See ya.